Good day guys, and welcome to this video. And today's video I'll be showing you the updated way to delete a Facebook account. Okay, so guys, before I proceed, I'll shoot if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaboration at the description of this video. Okay, so guys, let's proceed. So first and foremost, head over to your Facebook app. So head over to your Facebook. Now on your Facebook, now tap on this on the right hand side of your screen, at the top of your screen, tap on this three line icon. So now tap on, scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. So now select the settings option. So now tap on personal details on this Meta account center. So scroll down and tap on personal details below account settings section. So now tap on account ownership and control at the bottom of your screen below personal details. So select deactivation or deletion, okay, under account ownership and controls. Then now select the account which you want to which you would like to delete. Okay, so this is my account. So now select delete account. Okay, so tap on continue. So now select the reason which you like to delete. Okay, so let me just see, I have a privacy concern, then tap on continue. So now tap on continue, then they say personal delete. Okay, so just scroll down and tap on continue. So now input your password. So guys, after inputting your password, your account will be deleted successfully. Okay, so guys, this is the updated way to delete a Facebook account. Before I conclude, also once again guys, I appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations via the description of this video. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day. Stay safe. Peace.